We have Heron ploughing here today for us with a nice 185 John Deere and a 4 for a Connecticut plough as well. So it's actually ploughing over very well. I didn't think the soil was as good. Just when we were out taking soil samples, the soil looked poor and it was low in the index. But it's ploughing over lovely and it's getting a nice dress, and nothing major here. It's getting about 6 tonnes to the acre here, so just a nice light dress. And this is the first time this farm has been ploughed in I think the guts of 10 years. And there's 60 acres, 65 acres here that's going to be ploughed. We got started yesterday and we're making good headway, to be fair. And we'll probably have the second plough over later on.